Today it is the Mitsubishi Lancer EVO 4 GSR. It's today's What's in the Box. So let's get to it. Hey everyone, and welcome into the garage for today's What's in the Box. And we're taking a look at the Mitsubishi Lancer EVO 4 GSR kit from Fujimi Models. This kit was initially released in 1998, and then between 98 and 2000, a reissue was done with new parts. Then in 2000, another reissue. 2001, it got another reissue with some new parts. And then in 2003, it was reissued one more time, and this time under the initial, as a part of the initial D series. And then in 2015, it was reissued, and this is the variation that was reissued. So with that, let's jump to it and check it out. And getting started with the body. And getting us started with the chassis suspension parts tree. And now turning our attention to the interior parts tree. Now take a look at the clear parts tree. Now take a look at the wheels and tires and everything else. Metal axle. Some very tough mesh for the grills, and the wheels and tires. Now we'll take a look at the window mask and decals first. The window mask, obviously they are not pre-cut. You have to do the cutting yourself. And the decal sheet. So that's going to do it for this look at the Mitsubishi Lancer EVO 4 GSR kit from Fujimi. Pretty simple kit. And of course, if you want to get yourself some color matched Mitsubishi paint, pretty sure James and Scalefinishes can hook you up with some of that. That's what you want to do, how you want to roll. So on that note, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.